Hey guys, so today we're going to learn how to do multicolored prints. So first you can either go on MakerWorld or Printables. So for this I'm going to go on MakerWorld, and you guys can pick any design that has the colors that are inside the 3D printer, which is really important. So for this I'm going to do a panda, just a classic panda, and then once it loads I'm going to click any one of these would work, and I'm just going to print the first one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click this down arrow right here. You can do download 3MF file. So we're going to click the download button. And then once it downloaded, we're going to go on to Bambu Lab. We're going to click this button right here to add it. We're going to click the panda. We're going to open it. And as you guys can see on the side right here, it has the different colors for the filament. So I want you guys to really focus on this because right now I'm on the Bambu Lab H2D. So there's a couple things to look at: what printer you're using and the filaments. So right now on the Bambu Lab H2D, if I look at the printer, I see we have black and white filament, but it is not PLA, it is ABS. So what you guys need to look for is what we're going to do. I want to change this to ABS. So I'm going to go Bambu, we're going to click on it, and then we're going to do ABS. We're going to do ABS right here, and then we also want to make sure that the color is right. So if we click on here, we see it's on white and black, which is what we have on the printer. But if you do something like beige, when you click on this, it's not going to work and it's not going to print because we don't have this color of filament. So with these settings, we have white filament, we have black, and we're going to change this to ABS as well. So now when we slice it, we can see that we can just do auto and it'll make it into filament saving mode. And now it should work perfectly. Just save it and then start printing it.